Bective Abbey was founded in 1147 as a daughter house of Mellifont Abbey. The community here was Anglo-Norman. In 1386 men of Irish birth were effectively barred from entering the monastery. The cloister, a covered walkway for contemplation and prayer, and the domestic buildings where monks lived and worked, were rebuilt on a smaller scale in the 15th century. Two sections of this cloister walkway survive. A large defensive tower was built above the south range of the abbey in the 15th century, a reflection of troubled times in the English Pale. After Bective was dissolved in 1536, as part of the campaign by Henry VIII to control the wealth and power of the church, the complex was converted into great mansion with insertion of new fireplaces, chimneys and large stone windows. Bective Abbey has been the location for many films and TV series over the years, the most high profile of which was the Academy Award-winning Braveheart. Enjoy the rest of the video and thanks for watching.